How to fix full server cannot join on your once human game. How can you simply fix this issue within some seconds on your PC or on the device you're playing the game? Now, to do it, you can see this as the game. Like suppose you're playing the game on this interface, then how you can simply solve if you're facing any error while playing it. What you have to do is we will tell you that the problem mainly is in your network connection. You can check your Wi-Fi network that is full in connection. You're getting the full network right now, and from here you can simply disconnect it and connect again. The second thing you make sure that is you can switch on the airplane mode and then switch it off to refresh your data connection or your device also. Now the third step is only on go on the start button, and from there you have to simply restart your device, and then after this you won't face any type of error like this. This is about the video. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel.